Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into our video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily use Rave app with your friends and how to invite those friends with you to watch a podcast or any other season or a movie or something on the Rave app while communicating to them. First of all, open up the Rave mobile application. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so just follow our guide. Once you open it up, as you can see, there's a bunch of movies or different bunch of podcasts on this Rave app. Now what you can do is select any of the specific thing that you want to watch with your friends, and after selecting it, for example, let me just select something real quick. For example, if we go to this, and as you can see, we have like this podcast, or let's go for something else. You can see any of these things here, and once you click on that specific thing, you will be directed to that specific podcast. And from here at the bottom of the keyboard, you will be able to find this plus button. Simply tap on it and this interface will appear. Now you can invite your friends here on the Rave app so that they can watch this specific thing with you on the Rave app, and that is how you can use the Rave app with your friends. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.